Hello everybody, today was my last day in my office. I quit my store because I didn't like it anymore. There was something that hit me so hard, and that was I was on vacation in May and June, dus last week of May, the first weeks of June. And I received an email from a customer and he granted me to go on vacation, and he thought that my vacation was wrong because he didn't have somebody now to repair his phone. And that one makes me so angry that I thought, fuck you. I sent an email out on the 28th of May that I quit my store. They had to accept it because it's my decision. Like you see, I'm still sitting here in my work clothes, in my car. Behind me you see my office. I don't know if you can see it, but that's not important. For me, it was the best day of my life, the moment that I sent that email. For me, it was so releasing to take the lead in my own hands and say, I don't do this anymore. And it gives me space, it gives me air, and it feels good. Today was the last day I repaired a phone in my office. I couldn't say that I never will repair again because it's one of my skills. I'm gonna use it for my online business because I want to make a repair education, so people can buy from me, learn from me, and this because it's one of my skills. One of my other skills are writing emails, being an affiliate marketer. I'm very good at Facebook. I'm very good at writing messages in Facebook. And for now, I take the lead, and it's my time, it's my life. I never let a customer take the lead in my life again, because life is too short to live for your customers. So I leave the key of my office at my office. And I'm never gonna wear this again. Woohoo! Yeah, baby, yeah. No, it's my time again. And this is my story I want to share with you. Let me know what you think. Because you should have also a dream or a reason or a way to quit your job or to fire your boss or something like that. I fired my boss, I fired my job, and I fired my office because I don't want it anymore. I go all in for it. It's my journey. Do you want to follow me on my journey? Go to my Facebook. See the link under this video. So you can go to my Facebook and follow me on my journey. Another way is, do you also want to learn how to be an affiliate marketer? There's another link under this movie, and this link is called All-in-One 25. So click on the link. For me, it was a world going open when I decided to be an affiliate marketer. I didn't know what it was, but I go in. And I tried, and for me it's a great success, and it gives my life more purpose. So again, do you want to be an affiliate marketer like me? Do you want to learn how to repair smartphones? Or do you want to learn how to use Facebook to make money from it? Click on the link below. Fill in your name and your email address. Then you receive an email from me with a video. I explain how I did it, but more important, how you can do it. How you can fire your boss or quit your office. So thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.